Hi dear students, hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 10, A Journey Through Kerala. We all know that Kerala is our state, right? And our Kerala is considered as God's own country. Okay my dears, shall we start? Chapter 10, A Journey Through Kerala. In this chapter, we are going to study more about our state, Kerala. In your textbook, we can see a picture. Say dears, what do you see in this picture? Yes, a school, children, playground, etc. Right? In this picture, we can see a boy. Do you know his name? Yes, his name is Manu. He is very happy. Do you know the reason for his happiness? Yes, very good. Because the examinations are over, so Manu is very happy. And his father promised an excursion during the holidays. Dear children, did you went for an excursion during the holidays? Okay. So here Manu is waiting for a trip through the 14 districts of Kerala. Dear children, how many districts are there in Kerala? Tell me. Yes, very good. There are 14 districts in Kerala. Do you know the names of our 14 districts? Okay, teacher will tell you. The 14 districts of our Kerala are Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Kottayam, Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Palakkad, Malappuram, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur and Kasaragod. So, these are the 14 districts of our Kerala. Okay dears, did you understand the names of our 14 districts? Okay, so next we are going to discuss the beautiful sights in Kerala. Okay, so teacher will show you some pictures. You have to identify the place. Dear children, can you identify this place? Yes, this is Thekadi. Thekadi is one of the most beautiful tourist place in Kerala. It is situated in Idukki district. Dear children, can you identify this place? Yes, this is Kovalam Beach. Kovalam Beach is one of the most important tourist place and famous beach in Kerala. This Kovalam Beach is situated in Thiruvananthapuram district. Okay children, teacher will show you the next picture. Can you identify this place? Yes, this is Bekal Fort. It is one of the largest fort in Kerala. Bekal Fort is situated in Kasaragod district. Dear children, can you identify this one? Yes, this is Idukki Dam. As the name shows, it is situated in Idukki district. It is an arc-shaped dam built across the river Periyar. Dear children, can you identify this one? Okay, teacher will tell you. This is Tunjan Parambu. Tunjan Parambu is the birthplace of the great Malayalam poet Tunjat Ezhuthachan. Tunjan Parambu is situated in Malappuram district. Dear children, can you identify these waterfalls? Yes, this is Adirapalli waterfalls and it is situated in Thrissur district. Okay children, so these are some of the beautiful sights in our Kerala. Because of these beautiful sights, our Kerala is called as God's own country. So, We should be very proud of being born in such a beautiful land. Okay, children. So, which is our state? Yes, Kerala is our state. How many districts are there in Kerala? Yes, 14 districts. Dear children, did you know the capital of our state? Yes, very good. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of our state, Kerala. In this picture, we can see a building, right? Do you know the name of this building? Yes, very good. This is Kerala Secretariat. It is situated in Thiruvananthapuram. It is an office of various state government department. Okay, children, is it clear to you? Look here, dear children. What is this? Yes, this is the map of our Kerala. The 14 districts of Kerala is marked in this map. So, with the help of this map, you have to do an activity. It is given in your textbook of page number 133. With the help of the map given in your textbook, you have to write down the 14 districts of Kerala. Okay, dears, will you do? Okay, my dear children, I hope you understand the topics that we discussed on today. Now it's time for winding up our today's class. Thank you.